Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be getting my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing my 1 month lock update, but I'm actually about to get my hair done today too. So I wanted to come and show you guys my hair now because I'm getting a style, so you're not gonna be able to see my length. And I feel like it's my 1 month. Y'all would like to see my length. Honestly, I don't think it's grown more. Maybe a little bit. I'll insert a clip to how long my hair was before, but maybe I don't know. Today's July 13th. I started my locks on June 10th, so it's been a month and 3 days because it's the 13th. But yeah, my 1 month lock update is today, so I wanted to show you guys my hair before I go. And I'm also going to be getting my nape cut, colored, and dyed, like you've seen in my last video. So I will be doing a video today on that. My girlfriend is my barber and she's my loctician. She's going to be doing it, so I'm going to show you guys how she does it, and that's going to be a separate video, so stay tuned for that. But today, I just want to show you guys my length before I go and get it done. So guys, we got to the shop, but right now I'm hiding because Courtney's in there setting up. We're gonna have some lunch. Technically it's like brunch. We got some McDonald's. Do not judge us. So I'm back, and my hair is currently in a shower cap because my locks are deep conditioning. But I wanted to come and show you some of the products that my girlfriend is using on my locks currently, because this is my second retwist, so she's been using the same product. So just to let you know what she has used on my hair. First product is the main choice product line, and this is some ancient Egyptian anti-breakage and repair. Oh, it's a twisting gel. I didn't think it was an actual twisting gel. Because a lot of times when my girlfriend retwists people's hair, she uses curling jellies because they have more benefits and they don't cause any buildup in the locks. It actually looks like gold. I don't know if I can show it to you in the sun, maybe. There you go. It actually looks like gold. Okay, and once she gets done washing my hair, she always goes in with this hair and scalp mist by Pure Oils, and it's really nice. It has ginger and aloe vera in it. I love it. It makes my scalp feel all tingly. I don't know exactly what it does. I will insert that on the side. But this says ideal for curly and tightly coiled hair for protective styling. So I love this stuff. She puts this on my hair right when she gets done and right before she starts retwisting it. It's like basically like a leave-in conditioning type of thing she uses it for. Okay guys, so this is the talking portion of my lock update. Today is August 5th, so when I recorded that portion you just saw, that was like a whole month ago. Like I have a whole different style. I still have my pink nape cut because that is like, I want that to be like my signature thing. I'm really digging the pink right now, so we'll see what happens. But yes, this is the style I have right now in case you want to see. I'll insert a better picture, maybe of what it was supposed to look like. It won't be me, it'll be the reference picture I showed my girlfriend so she could do my style. But this is what my hair looks like so far, and I got my hair done a week ago. It's not even a week. I got my hair done this past Tuesday, and today is Sunday, so in 2 days it'll be a whole week. So for those who don't know, I started my lock journey on June 10th, 2018 of this year. So like I said earlier, in 5 days my locks will be 2 months old. So I know a question that a lot of people are gonna have is because the one thing I hate about this is that my hair is not down, but that is another reason why I put the clips in the beginning of this video so you guys can see what my hair looked like when it was loose, when it was old, how long it is, stuff like that, because I know whenever I get my hair done, I keep my hair in styles. Like I'll insert a picture I've had 3 retwists so far, and I get my hair styled every time. I do not wear my hair down. I like keeping my hair up and up. First of all, it's summertime. Today is 95 degrees outside. You might even see me sweating in this video. So it's just like I need to keep my hair and styles up and off of me. A lot of people think, because people I've talked to, they think that because I got my hair done in instant locks that my hair is automatically locked, and it's not. Instant locks, your hair will always have to lock on its own. You can never lock your hair the way locks lock your hair. Like locks have to happen. It's a process that takes a process. It happens over time. Your hair has to mature. It has to do it on its own. But what my girlfriend did was she basically formed my hair into a lock, and she helped it lock faster, but she can't lock my hair. My hair has to lock itself. So right now my hair is budding. If you've seen, I'll insert a clip. If you've seen in the beginning of the video, my hair was very frizzy and like swollen and fat. And when I originally got my locks done, my locks looked like regular locks. They looked like they were locked. but now that my hair has been washed and played with and messed with, you can really see that they're not in the same shape they were when she originally did them. So now my hair is swelling and it's matting together and the hair strands are getting thicker. My hair is shedding because we all shed hair every day. So I've had my locks for what, 2 months now, so it's just like I've shedded a lot of hair. But with natural hair and loose hair, you comb that shedded hair out, and with locks you don't comb it out. So that hair is what causes your locks to become heavier, what causes your locks to become more dense and thick, and what causes it to lock. Budding is when the hair and the lock begins to mat and swell together. So yes, my hair is budding. I'll insert a picture of what budding looks like. It really doesn't look like anything. It just looks like a regular lock but frizzier. If you know locks, then you know your hair is budding when it looks like this. And no, my hair is not locked yet. Like I said, my hair is only budding. My hair does not lock. They say it takes about 6 months for your hair to lock, but honestly, nobody can determine that. It depends on your hair texture. It depends on what you do, because some people wash their hair more often. And when you wash your hair more with locks, it causes it to lock faster, because when you wash your hair, it loosens up in the lock and it retracts back, which makes it lock faster. So the more you wash your hair, the faster your hair is going to lock. I've only washed my hair, I think 3 times since I've been locked. I've had 3 retwists and I've had locks for 2 months. So it's like, for me, I could have washed my hair every 2 weeks and my hair would probably have locked faster. But like I said, I like to keep my hair done. I like to keep my hair up. If you've been following me since before I locked my hair, I always keep my hair done. That's not, like, I don't play about my hair. So I don't have time to be washing my hair every 2 weeks, because also something that people need to know about locks is the more you retwist your hair, the thinner your locks are going to be. So if I keep getting my hair retwisted, my locks are going to be thinner, and I don't want thin locks. My locks are parted to have thick locks. One thing that's going on with my locks right now is the weight of my locks. You'll realize, if you know locks and you see people's lock journeys, you'll realize when they start off, their locks are always really light and like sticking out and pokey. And if you've seen the beginning of my video, which I just reinserted, the beginning of my video, it shows you my hair is just kind of sticking up, and it's just really, it doesn't really have weight on it. And you know what, a lot of people that have locks, their locks like sit on their shoulders, they hang down. You can tell that their locks have weight on it. And the way you get weight on your locks is basically over time, your hair just sheds and sheds and sheds. And because the reason why my locks are not heavy yet and they're not weighed down is because my locks didn't have shedded hair in them. It was just loose hair that was made into a lock. So it was no shedded hair in my lock. But now that I've had my locks for 2 months now, I have a lot of shedded hair in my lock. Not as much as my girlfriend or as much as anybody that has had locks for years, but I do have a little bit of shedded hair. So the longer I have my locks, the more shedded hair will build into my locks, so the heavier my locks are going to get. So that is also just a part of the process, and you just have to wait for it to happen. Now, one thing I will say that I make sure I focus on throughout my lock journey is I make sure I focus on my scalp and my hair, like the moisture in my hair. But I make sure I focus on keeping my scalp clean, keeping my scalp moisturized, because if you keep your scalp clean and moisturized, that's going to help your locks be more healthy. Like, yes, you take care of the length of your hair too, but I focus on my scalp a lot because I can keep my hair moisturized, but it's really not much that I can do for my locks. But I really make sure that my scalp is clean, make sure my scalp is taken care of, because that's where your hair comes from. So if your scalp is in good condition, your hair is going to be in good condition. Not always. Take care of your hair too. That doesn't mean neglect your hair, but it really does help, and it benefits a lot more. And the density of my locks, like I said, because of the shedding, and I have to wait for my hair to shed and make the lock a lot more heavy and weighed down, the density of my locks is very soft. Like, if you feel somebody who's had locks for years, their locks will be hard. I say they feel like sticks, but my locks are very spongy and very soft, so that shows you that I still have a lot more time to go as far as my locks just locking in general, and also accumulating that shedded hair so I can have weight on my hair. If you want to know how often I get my hair retwisted, I only get my hair retwisted once a month, because like I told you, it does matter how often you get your hair retwisted, because it will like determine the thickness of your lock. Like I said, if you get it retwisted too often, your locks will be thinner, and if you get it retwisted less, your locks will be thicker. It does matter. So I only get my hair retwisted once a month, which is really hard for me, but I'll talk about that later, because I do have a pros and cons list, so we'll get to that later. But yes, I only get my hair retwisted once a month. And I also I oil my hair once a week. I know most people say you should oil your hair every 3 days or something, or probably like 2 or 3 times a week. I'm gonna be honest with you, I should moisturize my hair more often, but I only oil my hair once a week because my girlfriend has locks as well. I'll insert a picture of her locks. My girlfriend has locks and I have locks, so what we do is trade favors. She'll moisturize my hair and oil my hair for me and give me a scalp massage massage and then I'll return the favor to her. So we do that for each other once a week. So I only get my hair oiled once a week. But it does pretty good because my hair is never itchy and I have no flakes and no dandruff. My girlfriend says that she really appreciates how clean and nice my scalp is because I take care of my hair. So from the loctician herself, she said my scalp and my hair is in good condition. So we're doing good as far as moisture and as far as my scalp is going. The 3 styles that I have had so far, which I love, are the first style that I had was a lock crown, which was actually I'm lying. This is my favorite style. This is the favorite style that I have. But the first style that I had was my lock crown, which was the very first style I ever got. The second style that I got, well, actually I'm lying. The very first style I got was 2 spider braids, but my hair wasn't retwisted. She just put my hair like that, so I'm not counting that, but I'll insert it so you can see what I'm talking about. But my very first style was the 2 braids, but when it comes to retwisting, getting my hair freshly washed and retwist, my first style was a lock crown. Okay, my second style was a updo. I don't really know how to explain what it's called. I'm just gonna call it an updo. I loved it. It was nice, but it wasn't my favorite. This is my favorite style, and this is my 3rd retwist. So this is the 3rd style that I've ever received. This is my favorite. I'm not gonna lie, just seeing because my girlfriend is a loctician, so whenever I want to pick a style, I usually just go to her Instagram. I'll insert her Instagram here. I usually just go to her Instagram and I go pick a style off her page, or I go on Pinterest and I go pick a style off of Pinterest to see what I think and see what I want. But I thought that going into my lock journey, I would like styles that were a lot more intricate and a lot more detailed, but I don't. I really like styles that are simple but beautiful. Like this style is only 2 braids. It's only 2 braids, and one braid's coming across here and the other one's coming across there, but it's my favorite. It's very elegant, it's very pretty, it's beautiful, it looks good when I get really dressed up, and it looks good when I just have on a t-shirt. So, and I love that, and it looks beautiful with my makeup. Like, it's just so pretty, and because I have thicker locks, it is harder for me to get like really detailed styles. So the products that I've been using on my locks are, you've seen a few in the beginning, but I'm gonna just rename them. As far as my shampoo and conditioner, I'm currently using the OGX Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen shampoo and conditioner, but my girlfriend actually started using this when I started my lock journey. But I actually found out that it's really good because it's biotin and collagen basically helps thicken up the strands of your hair. And if I want locks and I want thick locks, it's kind of cool that I'm using something that's going to help thicken up my hair. And biotin also helps my hair grow, which is good for me because I'm 24 right now, and my girlfriend's, her locks are 4 years old, and they stop in the middle of her back, and I'm like, dang, I really thought about it. My hair's not going to be long until I'm almost 30, so I'm just like, oh, that's so annoying. So the next product that I use is a leave-in conditioner, and I feel like when it comes to any hair, leave-in conditioner is very important. If you've been following me since my natural hair days, you know I never leave out a leave-in conditioner, but with my locks especially, I always make sure I have a leave-in conditioner because they're locks. Like, you can't fully really condition locks the way you want to with a regular conditioner because it's a cream, and when my locks mature and get full, that cream is not going to penetrate throughout my whole lock the way I want to. So a leave-in conditioner is really going to help me in that category and keeping my hair very moisturized, very conditioned, and anything in that category is going to really help. And the leave-in conditioner that I use is the Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner. It's the anti-breakage, anti-frizz. It looks like this. And I spray this on my hair right before my girlfriend, well, she sprays it on my hair right before she retwists. As far as the retwisting gel that my girlfriend uses, that was in the beginning of the video. She uses, I think it's the Main Choice or Main something. I'll just insert a picture of it. She uses that to retwist my hair. That's not the specific thing that she uses. That's just what she has used so far. I remember, I've only had 3 retwists. I've only had my locks for 2 months, so products will change. But so far, that's all she used. I have not had any buildup. I have not had any flakes. I haven't had anything. My hair has been great. My scalp is really clean. My locks look really good, and everything's been working out. And another tip that my girlfriend has been doing recently, and I've really realized the difference in my last retwist, she uses mousse. And the mousse that she used on us and herself, I don't know if she uses this on her clients. We have her own products at home, and she has a separate set of products at the shop. Most times I get my hair done at the shop, but if she does my hair at home, we have this Argan Oil Style and Shining Foam, but you can use any foam. Just make sure you test it and make sure it doesn't have buildup. Also, make sure it mixes well with whatever locking thing you use to like retwist your hair, locking gel. If you use oil, whatever, just make sure it mixes well. But she does also use a foam, which last time I realized when she put that foam on my hair, it really made a difference. My first 2 retwists, they were really nice, but they were frizzier than my last retwist, which was with this. She uses the foam product. So I'm really excited that she found that out, because I'm never going to have her like not use it. I'm going to always remind her like, hey, did you use the foam? Because I really just like the outcome of my retwist. Another thing that is very important, and I'm happy to tell you guys this, because I know a lot of locticians don't do this. We actually use a heat protectant. I don't have a specific one with me now because for me, a heat protectant is just a heat protectant. The current heat protectant that she's been using on me is the Cantu heat protectant, which I think is fairly new. But any heat protectant that you like, just use it. But people, sometimes a lot of times they don't care for locks the way they care for their regular hair because they think, oh, they're just locks. Locks is still hair. And if you want your locks to be beautiful, soft, like locks can't be that soft, but you can help them. Like if you want them to be softer or soft or beautiful, it's still hairs. And you have to sit under a dryer with locks. And if you want to know how long you sit under the dryer, it depends on how thick your locks are. Because my locks are thicker, I sit under the dryer for about an hour and a half, but usually over an hour because it has to really penetrate through my whole entire lock to dry the whole thing, because you never want your locks to not be dry. It can create mold on the inside of your locks. It has happened to people. You do not want that to happen because it's really no way to get that out. You're going to have to cut your locks off or you're going to have really stinky hair. We love to use heat protectant. Just, you know what I'm saying, protect your hair, protect your locks. You don't want your locks to be dry and crunchy and feeling like real tree branches and sticks. So try to just add those additional steps in. And I think a heat protectant is a really good step to add into your locks. And the last thing that I use on my locks as far as products go is this let me see. You heard me stutter, right? Let me see if I can say this. Taliah Waajd, I think that's her name. It's an African healing oil. I think she has a lot of different oils, but this is the specific one that me and my girlfriend use right now. My girlfriend loves Taliah Waajd products. Like we have a bunch. Like we even have this Taliah Waajd retwisting curly gel. So yeah, we really do love her products. So guys, this is the end of my lock video. That is everything that's going on with me. I am going to do a lock update pretty soon. I don't know if I'm going to be doing them month to month because it's like, you know what I'm saying, things can't really happen that fast. Locking your hair is a process. I'm going to let you, whenever I see a change that I feel like, I'm going to write down all my changes and try to keep you guys as updated as possible. My locks are a very important part of my life right now. I really love them. I'm enjoying them. My girlfriend has locks too, so I think it's pretty dope that both of us have locks and we're like this like lock couple. I think it's pretty great because my girlfriend is a really good loctician. She has so many clients. She has like a little client base. She's good. People know us, so it's pretty cool that we both have locks and it's just like dope. I think it's like we're a lock couple. So I think that's pretty cool. So I'm really excited about that. But yes, guys, I'm loving my locks. If you have locks, send me some hairstyles. Send me some links to some hairstyles. I don't know. Tell me some stuff that you guys did. I'm going to be doing some videos soon. Like I said, soon I'm going to be having me doing some faux locks on top of my real locks. I'm also going to be having some videos of me trying to wear my wigs with my locks. I'm going to have a lot of videos just like showing you that you don't have to be tied down with your locks. Like locks can be your locks and then locks can be fun too. So I'm excited about other lock videos I have coming. But yes, I'm really enjoying my locks. I'm so happy I did this. I was very skeptical of doing it. I was very nervous, but I think it's one of the best decisions I made. And to be honest, going into my lock journey, I prayed about it because having locks is a really big deal. It's a really big commitment and it's something. Like it's a big change. It's like going from having loose hair into being like, I don't know, it's just a really big change. So I did pray into this journey. So if you are on that level in your life and you want locks, I say just pray about it. I'm really happy I did it. I was really scared. It was a really big deal to me, but I have no regrets. I've been enjoying it. I've been loving it. My hair has been great. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.